For the 11th problem on the second ACT practice test, for all x, the quantity 3x plus 7 squared is equal to what? So let's first rewrite that expression down below. 3x plus 7, and then we're squaring it. Now the key here is to recognize what it means to square something. If you have the number 2 and you square it, this just means 2 multiplied by itself twice, or 2 times 2. And let's say you have the number 9xy and you square it, then this would just be this expression, 9xy, multiplied by itself twice. So you'd get 9xy times 9xy. And applying the same principle to our problem, we're multiplying this entire expression by itself twice. So we can rewrite this as 3x plus 7 times 3x plus 7. And one of the most commonly made errors with this type of problem, so this is not equal to, is people squaring just each of these terms individually. So this is not equal to the term 3x squared plus 7 squared. When you're squaring something, you're multiplying the entire quantity, no matter what it is inside this parentheses, by itself twice. So you don't just square the first term and then add it to the second term squared. This is not the correct way to do it, and many people, when first learning this, will be tempted to carry out the operation incorrectly. And now that we've expanded our square, we just have to use the FOIL method to multiply these two binomials together. Or in other words, we use this FOIL method to multiply these two sets of parentheses together. So FOIL, recall, you first multiply the first terms. So the 3x and the 3x, which is first 3 times 3 and then x times x. So you have 9x squared. The next part is to multiply the outer terms together. So that would be the 3x and the 7. And 3x times 7 would be 21x. And next, we would multiply the inner terms together. So we have this 7 here and this 3x here. And again, 7 times 3x is just 21x. And for our last part, we're dealing with the last terms. So that's this plus 7 and this plus 7, which multiply to give us 49. And now simplifying and combining like terms, we can add these two 21x's together so that we have 9x squared plus 42x plus 49. And this here is as simplified as we can make it. So this will be our final answer, and you can see choice letter E would be the correct one.